Is your car acting sluggish and showing code P00B7? This is a frustrating one, especially if you drive a Chevy Sonic, Aveo, or Spark, as they are notorious for this, but it can happen to any car. This code stands for Engine Coolant Flow Low or Performance. In plain English, your car's computer, the PCM, has noticed that the temperature difference between your radiator and your engine block does not add up. It concludes that the coolant is not flowing fast enough or is restricted somewhere. This is serious because if coolant does not flow, your engine can overheat. You are likely seeing the check engine light. Maybe your temperature gauge is acting erratic, your idle is rough, and you are burning way more gas than usual. The computer might even force the car into a limp mode to protect the engine. The most common causes are low coolant, a stuck thermostat that is not opening when it should, or a failing water pump. It can also be the sensors themselves lying to the computer. To troubleshoot this, start with the basics. Ensure the engine is cold, then check your coolant reservoir. If it is empty, you have a leak somewhere that needs fixing. If the level is good, start the engine and let it warm up while watching your scanner or temperature gauge. You want to verify that the thermostat opens and allows hot coolant to flow into the radiator. You can carefully feel the upper radiator hose. It should get hot once the engine reaches operating temperature. If the hose stays cold while the engine gets hot, your thermostat is likely stuck closed. If the flow seems fine, you need to test the engine coolant temperature sensor and the radiator sensor. You will need a digital multimeter for this. Disconnect the sensors and check their resistance in ohms, comparing the numbers to your repair manual. Also check for 5 volts on the reference wire with the ignition on. If the sensors and thermostat are good, you might be looking at a worn-out water pump impeller or a clogged radiator. If you have done the voltage checks and verified the flow but the code comes back, it is time to take it to a shop, as you might have a more complex blockage or a computer issue.